How to fix iPhone battery draining fast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the battery option you see there. Further, scroll down and check the daily uses section to see which apps are consuming the most battery. You can also tap on the Show All Battery Uses option if available and look for apps with unusually high activity. Next, in battery settings itself, go ahead and enable the toggle button for low power mode, as low power mode reduces background activity and other power consuming features. Next, go ahead and swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. From here, you can go ahead and reduce the screen brightness depending on your preference, as a bright display can use a significant amount of battery. Additionally, you can also enable auto brightness. To do that, go ahead and tap on the accessibility option in settings and then tap on display and text size. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for auto brightness. Go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for auto brightness. Next, go back to settings again and then tap on general and then on background app refresh. Here, go ahead and simply toggle off the toggle button for background app refresh completely, or you can also disable it, or you can also turn it off for apps that don't need to refresh in the background. Also, go back to settings again and then tap on the privacy and security option you see there, and then tap on the location services option and review apps that have access to your location. And for apps that don't need constant location access, select while using the app or select the never option you see there. Next, in settings again, you can check your cellular signal, as a weak cellular signal can cause your iPhone to use more power while searching for a network. So if you are in an area with poor reception, try using Wi-Fi when possible, as if available on your iPhone, you can also try to tap on the cellular option you see there and then tap on cellular data options. Here, tap on voice and data and make sure to select the LTE option. Also, in settings again, tap on the notification option you see there and then go ahead and select apps that don't need to send notifications every now and then disable them, as too many notifications can repeatedly wake the display. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as if not, then this might cause battery draining too often. Last but not the least, you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can clear temporary processes that may be causing abnormal battery uses. Also, open settings again and then tap on the battery option again and then tap on battery health and charging option and then check for your maximum capacity and look for any service recommendation, as if the battery is significantly degraded, software changes may not solve the problem and you might need a battery replacement for that. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone battery draining fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.